Thikũ 21 kuuma thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi kuiguithaniria na thirikari nene ithukirwo mawira manang'u ma thirikari. Sonko ni atongoretie mihango ya kuneana mawira maya kuri thirikari.
Nairobi is host to 2 airports with bustling activities carrying international visitors in and out of Kenya to every part of the globe, as well as ferrying passengers to every part of our country. Many regional and international organizations are based in Nairobi as a diplomatic hub for the region.
President Uhuru augite ungumania kaunti-ini ya Nairobi ni ucungiriirie mihatikano ya ngari, wagi wa maai na giko mikira-ini ya barabara.
The biggest problem that the city faces is corruption and cartels that have a vice-like grip on City Hall.
President niombite Ruhonge rwa utungata wa Nairobi rugitongorio ni Major General Mohammed Abdalla na Onyango Momanyi. Ruhonge ruru ruri na thiku 100 gucokia kuri andu mathiaga kuhumuka, kuriukia ukuui wa reri Nairobi na kurungaria motungata wa afisi-ini ya migunda.
I task the NMS to work, for example, on streamlining urban renewal projects such as Jivanji, Pangani and others, which have been previously awarded before 2018 and have continually been delayed.
Ruhonge-ini rwa ukuui rwathitwo guthondeka njira cia maguru, gutura thitĩnji barabara-ini ya Design Park Road na gucokia matawa ma barabara gatagati-ini ka mawira mangi.
Our plans for enhanced service through commuter rail must also be pushed forward and yield greater results of decongesting Nairobi. That their focus will be on operationalizing effective garbage collection and disposal methods that will include a collaboration with the National Youth Service. Complaints of corruption and having to pay out bribes to receive permits and approvals must and will be a thing of the past.
Na kuo ugima-ini wa mwiri, ruhonge ruru rwathitwo rutigirire thibitari cia Nairobi iri na dawa, aruti a wira a kuigana na ni iraruta wira.
Twende kazi.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.